Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The gold dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The euro-dollar pair gained 0.5% in the last session, after rising as much as 1% during the session. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The pound-dollar pair gained 0.5% in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The Aussie got a slight bump of 0.1% against the dollar in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
Overseas investors disposed of a combined net total of $5.1 billion in Indonesian, Thai, Malaysian, South Korean and Indian bonds last month, marking the biggest monthly outflow since March, regulatory data and bond market associations showed. Last week, Russian President Vladimir Putin signed into law a ban on all digital payments in the country, a far-reaching move that heralds a shift in how cryptocurrencies and blockchain-based payments are carried out in the country. Tesla paid the German owner almost 112,000 euros for her Model S because a technical report showed that the vehicle did not recognize obstacles properly and would brake randomly.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The UK's claimant count change will be released at 0600 hours GMT. The UK's ILO unemployment rate at 0600 hours GMT. The Eurozone's construction output at 0900 hours GMT. The US Red Book Index will be released at 12:55 GMT. Australia's RBA meeting minutes at 0130 GMT. The US housing starts at 12:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.